Good morning, everyone. This is Sakshi, student of class 9. On the topic of liquor should be banned in favor side. I'll tell you, please listen carefully. Alcohol is one of the main causes of conundrums of human existence. It makes you feel so good, but while destroying your physical health and mentally destroying your whole health. It is so destructive and addictive to you. When you drink alcohol, it causes a health problem, skin problem, and doctor even not suggested that alcohol is good. And even doctor is suggested take the medicine or other foods. Alcohol causes, even a person drink one day, then he causes from blood pressure, and he is causes, and every day he will keep to drink alcohol. He's all types of problems, heart problems, systematically maintenance problems, destroying health. Alcohol is a significant, most important role. When a person drink alcohol for more than 1.30, they are destroying their whole life, and his economic condition is best. Suddenly he gets accident, then his whole family crosses at the road. There is over 107 million people across the world are fasting due to alcohol. In Telangana, Godamba is a district. There is some government is selling alcohol from 30 rupees. So they are causing from 30 rupees, and government gain from alcohol 600 crore rupees per hour. So the Telangana, Godamba, there are people are facing from a lots of problems. From there are 30 crores rupees, and government faced that. Government faced so many problems during the people who paid the compensation of 700 crore due to alcohol. If I want to tell you that alcohol should be banned.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dimple Kumari from class 9. Today is my topic, liquor should not be banned. As per my opinion, liquor should not be banned. Why it is so? Because India is one of the biggest market of liquor production as well as consumption. So I don't think liquor is only used for drinking purpose, but it also used for medicines and factories, fuels, etc. And in my early GDP, I have mentioned that anything banning is not a permanent solution. It never be a permanent solution because the alcohol industry can contribute the 4,000 crore per year in our economic of India as well as our GDP growth. And our opposition party is told is it is it is a very bad for our health. So I told that our scientists and doctors can suggest that if we drink unlimited liquor, it is very beneficial for our health. And our excise department can make a strict rule and regulation for if a person cannot drink of wine and domestic violence can another his family, and people can complain against against the person, and the police can strict rules against the party. That's it.
Hello everyone, I am Ankit. I am telling about alcohol should be banned. My dear classmate Dimple told wine should be is best for drinking. I am telling about जैसे एक मछली एक तालाब को पूरा गंदा कर सकती है, उसी तरह हम एक बोतल पूरे घर को तबाह कर सकती है. It is also harmful for our health and it is also injurious to our health. Thank you.
Are you saying that alcohol is bad for our health? Can you tell me? I am asking you that how alcohol is bad for our health.
The ratio of death is increasing day by day. It is delay our health, and kidney and liver is also a disease.
What do you think about our economic of GDP?
No, this is a state government. And so, what about the people who crash accident on the road? Government is responsible for that.
Our exercise department can state rule and regulation, and if the person can drink a lot of wine and the brain scanner can detect that person, a lot of people can drink wine or not. If we drink a lot of wine, he can arrest that and get very more of taxes.
No, this is not happens to the one people drink the alcohol and someone or not. It is not in a India country. One time who's drink alcohol is always thinking that alcohol is good, again. So that was we are clearly that alcohol should be bad. So government, and that is the tax. What is the tax? अगर टैक्स की बात रही तो क्या गवर्नमेंट किसी की जान ले लेगी? वो टैक्स के नो गवर्नमेंट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर लिकर शुड बी बैन बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट हैपेंस टू एट ऑल.
I have answered that question. And when a police department came in our locality, and if we completely ban liquor, and the next day if we can say that, अरे यार सरकार अच्छी से काम नहीं कर रही है, सड़क पे ढंग से नहीं बना हुआ है, एजुकेशन में पैसे कम बहुत डाल रही है, and that question is rising the people, and so it is the not generate present now.
अगर ऐसी बात है कि अगर गवर्नमेंट टैक्स की पड़ी गवर्नमेंट